Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh and good day everyone. I am Faisal and today I will continue the basic volleyball skills demonstration. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to perform the forearm pass. So let's begin. Passing, it is a basic skill in volleyball. It means you hit the ball to your teammate in a way you can control. In volleyball, you cannot catch or hold the ball. So when that other team sends the ball to you, you must pass it. The goal is to send the ball to your setter so your teammate can attack and try to score. The forearm pass, it is also called as bump. It is used to receive the ball from your opponent, or use it for low or fast balls, like when the other team serves. To do it, you put your hands together and make your arms straight and flat. Forearm pass is important because it is often the first hit and it helps start your team's attack. First, standing position. Stand straight and tall. Feet apart, shoulder width apart. Body is relaxed and ready. Second, ready stance. Bend your knees deeply. Lean your body forward. Your shoulder should pass the knees. And put your hands on your knees. Third, extend arms. Move your arms forward and keep your arms straight. Fourth, join hands. Bring your hands together in front. Fifth, contact the ball. Stay low and balance. The ball hits exactly on your forearms.